In this video, we're going to cover some of the commonly used credit card processing features in the FireFly point-of-sale system. This is for integrated credit card processing, either direct with one of our preferred processors or through our PC charge payment gateway. Let's start out by ringing up an order. And we'll make this a to-go order. And now when I come to my tender screen, all I have to do is swipe the card immediately to process the credit card. Or I can actually press the credit button if I need to type the credit card in manually. And from this screen, I can either swipe the card again by pressing this button, or I can type in the card data if it's a manually entered card. If I type it in, I do need to enter the zip code as a minimum. Just click Process Card, and your card will be approved. Okay, let's take a look at that order now that it's been closed. You can see that it was tendered to a MasterCard, and it gives me the authorization number here. If I have to void a closed transaction for any reason, it's easy to do. We'll just hit Finish, and all you have to do is hit Pay. You can see that credit is already selected, so the system knows to issue a refund. If you want to split an order between two credit cards, that's simple to do as well from the tender screen. Let's put $10 on the first card by clicking $10 and then click Swipe Card. Now you'll see I've got approval for the first amount, and I can do an exact and swipe card again, and then the second card is tendered. Okay, let's talk about how to do this for a delivery order. I'm going to go ahead and look at my customer. I've already taken their order, and I'm going to go ahead and mark this as a delivery. I have the option here to pay for the ticket. Let's just select credit and enter the card number. Here's an example of what happens if the card is declined. You can go ahead and just ring it up again, entering in a new card number. Now let's talk about how to split payment between two tender types on a delivery. If I select multiple and credit and enter the card number, I just have to change this dollar amount to the amount that I want to run on this card. Now I've got that amount tendered, and I can select cash for the remainder, or I could run another credit card. When I'm done, just hit select. If a customer wants to modify their delivery order, you can recall it, and let's add something to it. Now when you hit Finish, you're going to get an option to change or continue the tender amount. If you hit Continue, it's going to just change the authorization on the existing credit card. If you hit Change, it will void that original authorization and give you the option to charge the order to a different card. Let's just hit Continue. Now I've recalled the order again, and you can see my original authorization is voided and my second authorization is now for the larger amount. So there's an overview of some of the credit card transaction features in the FireFly system.